We're talking about it's a big week for economic data. We actually have two economic reports today. They're kind of similar. I know you're watching one of them. So explain this one to me. So we have ISM. It looks like the estimate is for expansion, but for PMI, very slight contraction, slight on both ends. Which one's more important? Do you think this is something that the market needs to pay attention to?
Probably not as much as it does the other data this week. I mean, these reports have been right around that 50 range, particularly on services. For the better part, the last, 6 to 12 months, showing slight expansion, but you really get a good market read on these when they're either really high or really low. When they're kind of just muddling along in the middle, you get a good sense for what the economy is doing, but as far as an indicator for the market, not as powerful. We'll be watching the jobs data most closely this week to get a read on the Fed.
All right, you know what is pretty powerful? The chip sector. We were just talking about it a short time ago. You actually sent us a chart. The SMH ETF, which most of us use to kind of gauge the chip sector, actually negative last week, down 1.5%. Of course, NVIDIA out with a bit of a surprise yesterday. NVIDIA up. Chip stocks you would expect will likely get a boost. When you're looking at the chip sector right now, is it just too hot to handle, or do you still want to get in considering that NVIDIA continues to make news, and also we're seeing AMD making an announcement as well?
Yeah, I think there's still plenty of time to get in, to add to chip stocks. You do have to understand it's a cyclical sector. There's going to be, big volatile movements in this sector, even as the AI trade proves sticky. But what we're looking at is equal weight chips, right? Because we know the heavyweights at the top. So we want to take a look at the equal weight, see how the overall health of the sector is. And it's been pretty solid, especially compared to the slightly more defensive software sector. So I think there's still plenty of room to get in. You just have to have a tough stomach for it, because it is a very volatile sector, even if it's linked to all of these structural tailwinds that we see in AI.
Yeah, again, we're seeing it up about 1.5% in the pre-market right now. We'll continue to watch that throughout the show. So I want to come full circle with you. Here are the headlines from the Wall Street Journal. This one, the Fed might soon have to worry about more than just inflation. Then we have Bloomberg saying the key engines of the U.S. consumer spending are losing steam all at once. And then we got our own page, CNBC.com, highlighting growing concerns about the market's narrow leadership. So big rally in the markets, pushing new highs, but people keep kind of looking for something to be bearish about. What do you think about these headlines? Any one of these concern you?
Well, I would say on face, it shows to me that there's not quite a euphoria that would signal a market top, right? There's as far as a sentiment check, if all the different headlines are pointing out different things to worry about, then you probably don't have this euphoria that you tend to find at the end of a big bubble or market top. The one that I think is the most concerning probably is what we saw in real PCE, consumer spending. As long as rates are high, it's going to be hard for the really cyclical sectors to take leadership, right? Your kind of manufacturing or your housing. And so if the consumer is slowing, but the Fed can't find an ability to cut and to give them some reprieve on rates, the economy is going to slow. The consumer is too important, and they've pulled their weight for too long. So you see consumer spending slowing or normalizing, it's a concern. Narrow leadership, we've seen that story before. It's not what you want, all else equal, but it doesn't portend weak returns. So as a sentiment check, still somewhat bearish. That's a good thing for bull markets, but there are some concerns in there, and I think the consumer is where you focus.